Well, guys, the weather here has turned cold, cold. In fact, this morning it is 26 degrees. So I think I'm going to turn my sights on an indoor project. So come on and I'll show you what I got going on. Well, hey guys, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, with it being so cold outside, we're doing an indoor project, and something I've been wanting to do for a while, and that is to update our under the cabinet lighting system in the kitchen. When we built our house back in 1990, LED was not the rule of the land. And in fact, it was these, I'll swing the camera around, it was the old tubular style. And I'm so sick and tired of having to replace these light bulbs, and they don't last very long. And when they start going bad, only about half of them illuminate up. The rest of it just glows like a fire orange. And also with the older systems, you have this big footprint and all of the 6 electronics with the transformer and everything, and then you can't get replacement lenses when they get brittle and old and crack. So it's time for all this to go. This is the newer stuff here. I've got 2 sections to put in. One is a 12-inch, one is a 36-inch. And so this is the footprint of the new. As you can see, it's much smaller, and this is the LED strip that lights up. You're supposed to get thousands and thousands of hours out of this, so I'm really excited to get rid of this and replace it with this. Now, obviously, with going to a much smaller footprint, I don't know if you can see under the counter, but I'm actually going to have to do some touch-up painting. And so before I do that, over here, I've still got this one to pull out. So I haven't started taking this one out yet at all. So got to finish getting this removed. Okay, that wasn't very bad to get the old parts out. Pretty straightforward, and it's all clean and nice and gone. But as you can see, where we have updated our kitchen, the kitchen used to be white, and with the new footprint being so much smaller, I'm gonna have to touch up paint this. Fortunately, we have the paint that's exact color from where we did our upgrades, so it'll be real easy for me to come up into here and touch this up, which I will do here in a short minute. Okay guys, it's probably been maybe an hour, and everything all up here is nice and dry, and we can now work with it. So first thing we need to do is, which I just did, is do the knockout on the back here, and we need to put in the safety strain relief, which I am going to do now. Alright, one of the cool things about the new way of doing these is they've got these new really cool locks. So all you do is just match up black with black, white with white, and let's see if I can get it spun around so you can see. And they just plug in right here. It's really cool. So that's the next step, is hooking up the wires. So let me get this in place. So black one first. And it pull, once it's in, it's in. And then white to white. Okay guys, finished up another afternoon project. Turned out really nice. Glad to get this one done. I'll spin around real quick and show you. These are the two kits that I used. One was the 12-inch, one was the 36-inch. And again, all the hardware that you needed was included. Both of these were about 60 bucks for both of these total. And then let me swing over here and you can see that's all finished and turnkey. These are all LEDs now. And let me come down here and do a quick pan on this one. All done and installed. The one that gave me the most difficult time was this one here. The reason being is there are two wire feeds, the Gazenta for the main power to this, and then the feed that goes back out that goes down and goes to feed the other one. So you had to get all of that wire tucked in as well as everything connected, and it was kind of tight. But anyway, I was able to get that. So anyway, let me turn the kitchen lights down for a second, pardon the dark, and turn these on, and there you go. Really think it turned out nice. Glad to get this one done. So anyway guys, that's another project wrap up for today. Again, remember at Project Next there's always one more. If you will, please consider liking and subscribing and sharing with your friends. And for now, you guys have a great week and we will talk to you guys again real soon. Thanks so much. Take care.